Guys, welcome back to the another new lecture. So in this lecture I'm going to show to you how to develop how to design this part. In the previous lecture I told you about this, so now I'll work in this part. This is the shop part, okay, and you'll show that here is our designed part, but in the here a lot of problem like that, pages navigation, and is there designed part like that, our product part, add to cart, and after that images here, and when just will click this. I hope you'll learn from this part, but in the here will show that this is the big problem, like the pages and archive and categories come to pages in the here like the showing to you. So guys, now I'll just design this part. So I'll come back in my VS Code, and this is our part. In the here, this is our function.php. Now this is what is the add action. So this is the hooks, and this is the function of after set of theme. So this is the basically support from the theme forest. For that you'll just using this, okay, and this is our variables, and after that this is our configuration name, and this is our variable product define it, okay. Now in this in the previous lecture I told about this, this is the function, and check this if a content width or content height check, then you can use using this. And after that we'll just define this added theme support, what type of support it, like that product grid and single images width, and after that thumbnail image width. So default rows, the main rows and main rows, and after that by default columns and main columns and maximum column. So guys, in the here now I'm going to creating this another add hooks in the here, add action, okay. Just now I'll just delete this, and you'll just remember this in the after set of theme, and in the here you will just define this another name of like that Woocommerce, okay. Woocommerce after main content it's not a content, it will be content. Here this is our fancy lab, I'll just delete this, and I'll type here fancy lab open, then container, and in the here it will be container row, and I'll just define this variable of 5, okay. So come to the browser and refresh it, okay, nothing to error in this website. You will show that 1, after that 2, 3, 4, 5, okay guys. So here is the another mistake. Call user function array and call back after that fancy lab open container row, so not found or individual function named, okay. So don't worry about this, I'll just fix it. And here I'm going to declare the function name, function fancy lab open, that will be row, and echo will be this is our, I'll just delete this, I don't need to do so. At first you have to come back and you will just inspect this product and show to this product will be product type product post, after that product column 1, okay. Then after that Woocommerce pagination, that's the good. Header section, after that container, div this container, okay. So guys, in the here I'll just select this main div container section, then after that only div area, div section area. That's why just I'll use it in the here echo, then I'll give this class name. It will be class name will be container. This is the main part, container shop content. After that here I'll just define this another div row div, okay, that is okay. Just come back and refresh this, then what happened, I'll just see it. Okay, error has gone and pagination come to here, but just delete this and change this here before container, and just copy this and paste it here, okay. So I just change this before it, it will be after, okay. Everything's error has gone, but in the here you just change this, open, it will be close, and just delete this everything from here and just type here div, then using this div plus, okay. So now I'll just come back in the browser and refresh it. Get footer shop, okay, and so to showing to you row 1 to 5 and 7, data set to popular, okay. Sorting is not working, but don't worry about this. I'm not done with this code, so I'll just copy this and paste it here. It will be add action and Woocommerce before main content. Woocommerce again, just type here before main content, and after that in the here I didn't change this, okay. CLO close, before I didn't change this here, and after that in the here I'm going to change this Woocommerce before main content, and after that Fancy Lab add sidebar tags, okay. Sidebar tag will be 6 now, and in the here I'm going to change this our Fancy Lab function, so it will be add sidebar tags, Fancy Lab add sidebar tags, here I'm going to define this div, then I will just give this class name, and here in the sidebar top sidebar shop, then column 1, or I'll just change this column, then MD, after then 3, then again column, row column, MD margin 4, order using this inverted quotation echo. After that, single quotation. After that, you will just finish this class name, sidebar top, and where. Okay, so now I'm going to define this Woocommerce only Woocommerce sidebar, that is the sidebar top and before main content. After that, now I'm just going to copy this. I'll just copy this and paste it here. Now in the here I'll just change this Woocommerce sidebar, and here you just change this Woocommerce get sidebar, get sidebar, change this variable 7. So, and I'm going to change this fancy lab, so in the before I'm going to define this remove action Woocommerce sidebar and Woocommerce get sidebar, and now add action Woocommerce sidebar before main content area. Okay, I'll just delete this. Woocommerce before main content, fancy lab close sidebar text, it will be 8. So now fancy lab will be close sidebar, close sidebar text, and I'm going to delete this everything here. And come back browser and refresh it. Okay, wow, that's the great, and everything is okay, and our error has gone removed from the here, and we'll just show that. Oh no, here is our get footer shop. So that is the actually typing error or anything. I think in the another pages declare the wrong way, that's why it's showing to you. So don't worry, I'll just fix this in the next lecture. Now this is our design, and hopefully we are done. But in the pages area and in the sidebar area, don't remove from here. So now add action. Here I'll just change this. I don't need to this variable. Okay, and I'll just delete this. Come back browser, refresh it. Okay, nothing to change in the here. Now add action, then that's why I'll just define this action and going to Woocommerce after main content area. So now I'm going to define this before, then it will be change name before, because we are define this main content area and getting these shop tags. Okay, then I'm going to delete this, add here, it will be shop tags 9 using this function pencil app add shop tag. I don't need to this shop content. Okay, shop column LG column MT4 water 1 by 1 MD2. Okay, that's it. Okay, after that I'm going to just add Woocommerce after main content area. That's good. So in the previous lecture I told about this, that is the auto suggested coded from the GitHub Copilot. So you can using this extension from here, and you just type here GitHub Copilot or Copilot. Okay, just use this extension, then it will suggest automatically from here. Okay, so don't worry about this. Now in the here using this echo main function and come back, refresh it. Okay, but pagination is not done. Get footer, then shop. Okay, so that is the our class to row and column LG. After that get footer container shop content, then get footer So guys, so we are just done this simple design from this here, but I'll find out where is error. Content area, after that header section part. Okay, everything is okay, but in the here get footer, get footer. I'm just tried now find out this. Okay, this is the get footer. After that shop, it is done define. Okay guys, and it may be shop file and select shop. Here is the shop. Okay, oh sorry, I didn't show this. This is our get footer section area, and in the mistake type. Okay, that's why, and to refresh this browser. So guys, we will show that here is our footer widgets. Actually, I'm really sorry, I didn't follow this, didn't get find anything, get find footer section area widgets in the here. So that's why that is the error. We'll better understand in this lecture. So I'll fix it in the next lecture. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. See you soon in this lecture. I'll just show to you how to remove this Woocommerce title from this here, and what are this functionality. So don't worry, so let's go to the code. So here are the code actually. So this is our header file and Woocommerce product header title in the here, like that apply filters, and after that Woocommerce product header title pages title bar in the here. So in the here you will show that this is the true, there is the priority value. So you just using this false, then it will be it won't show to you. Just hide this your title, then you can just easily use this false. Okay guys, so hopefully we are working this functionality from this here. So I'll just come back in the function.php. So now I'm working add filter function, add filter Woocommerce show page title. Okay, I don't need to this. Show page title, after that here I'm going to using this fancy lab remove or hide, you can use it anything, hide page title or I don't need to this page title, I will just hide this shop title. Now in the here I'm going to using this function fancy lab remove shop title. In the here it will be, I'm going to using this variable. So firstly you just define this variable equal false and return value will be variable. Okay, and after that in the end of the line, come back and refresh it. Hopefully this is the done. So shop title from this remove from this here, so that is the very interesting. Okay, now if you want it again, then you can just using this true. Okay, so it will be show to you, but in the here this condition will be check this false, then it will be hide. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create this another file inside of this here. It will be like wc prediction or modification dot php. Now I'll come back in the here function dot php and simply use this another hooks action Woocommerce after shop loaf. Then I'm going to using this item and using this title. Okay, then using this here the excerpt and this is the priority below 1. Okay, now come back and refresh this. Okay, looks cool. So in the here I'm going to cut this below and paste it here wc modification dot php. Okay, after that you'll come back in the function dot php. So in the here you can using this add action, then after setup theme, then fancy left configure and priority value will be 0. Now I'm going to connect this file like the w that modification dot php. Then you will just type here require require, then get template directory URI and using this template text.php. in the here you can just using this name. Okay guys, wc then modification dot php. So guys, after that come back and refresh this. One error show to you. Okay, here is the error add function and before content main area. After that you just select this. Okay, now the here this is our problem. So I'm going to define this undefined PSP starting below and come back in the here. Okay, and copy this, then paste it here, delete this, just simply using this. Okay, I don't need to this. And come back browser and refresh it, then you will show that error has gone, so everything is okay. So guys, I'll just finish this lecture. See you soon in the next lecture.